So how can influencers make you money online? This is a big question that everyone's talking about because most people are becoming unemployed and they're realizing that influencers online can make you thousands of dollars per month. Even shit influencers online can make you a couple hundred per month, which is great. It's an additional income which is very easily accessible online. So let's go over today a few ways that you can make money with AI models, and I'm going to be talking about the best one last, mainly because it's going to make you the most amount of money in the quickest amount of time. Yes, it's still a business model and it's not a get money quick scheme, but it's kind of the life hack when it comes to making money online, which is what most of you are probably after. But anyway, let's go into how you can make money with normal influencers online. The first one is simply ad copies. A lot of people, when they film ads, they need a great big background, they need a luxury camera and studio and all of this kind of stuff, which is very expensive. They then require editors to be able to chop that up, put it all together and sequence it in a way that they can then post it online. However, with AI, you can simply make these ads for businesses and they'll look just as realistic as the real thing or the person filming it. Most businesses don't really have a face to do these ads as well, so making it with AI is extremely effective and is a great way to make money. So that is one way which I would advise that you do use AI models to be able to make money online, is by creating ads for businesses. The second thing is branding and influencing. Very good, probably the next level up in terms of pay bracket when it comes to ads, when it comes to creating AI models. However, it is a little bit more competitive because you're competing against real influencers as well. Working with brands and stuff like that to be able to drive them traffic can work very well because you can, once again, create these images with the brand very, very easily without having to need a studio and a real actor, all of that kind of stuff. So it kind of cuts out the photographer costs, and that cost can then come to you as a person helping with marketing on this brand. And then influencing, if you want to be the influencer yourself, you can simply make an AI model and go into mainstream influencing. Many ways that you can make money with this. One that you probably see most influencers doing is going to find some Forex trading group and mugging a few people off. I'm not advising that, but that's how you can do it. Or even people growing crypto coins and stuff like that. Once again, I've seen it happen. AI influencers can do the exact same thing as what normal influencers do. And we all know influencers online make a decent amount of money, as they love to remind you about. So that's the second way, which I'll say you can make money online with an AI influencer. The third way is this life hack one that I'm talking about. It's the key to making big money online in a shortest period of time. This is Ai OFM. You may have heard it before. I've mentioned it a few times on my page, but it is the best way to make money online in 2026 and will continue to be probably the best way to make money in 2027 as well when the next year turns. Now, what is it and how is it a life hack? It's basically making an AI influencer, but rather than finding brands or products that have very small profit margins and aren't going to give you much money to do promos and stuff like that with them or do marketing with them, you're going to create an OnlyFans model. We all know OnlyFans models make the most amount of money in the world. Across any business sector, OnlyFans models are always at the top. Yes, this is a degenerate world. It's not the cleanest place. And admittedly, it's not the cleanest business model. However, it is a lot cleaner than OnlyFans itself because you're going to be making AI models rather than being a real person doing this. So it's 100% AI generated. You don't need any other investment or anyone else helping you out with this. Just you and a few prompts to generate these images. You make these images, you market them online, normally on social media, things like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all the standard platforms that you may see, and then you convert them across to a platform called FanView. You don't push them to OnlyFans. OnlyFans is for real creators. You just find the one for AI creators, which is FanView. In fact, I have a whole free course here. If you want free information on exactly how to do all of this, go down to the description below and you can learn the exact processing on how it's done. But the reason this is so effective is because there is a load of losers online. People that actually do things with their life don't normally spend hours a day sitting on Instagram reels. They have commitments, they have families, and so on. However, the people that are going to spend a lot of money on things like OnlyFans will be sitting online, watching your reels, and converting across to your AI models page to subscribe to see more content of that model. So marketing on social media is hitting the direct audience, which is why you can scale so quickly. And then, as we all know, OnlyFans is the biggest industry in the world, so you're obviously going to make a lot of money from this as well. Whether that's an extra 200-300 quid a month or an extra 2-3 grand a month, or even an extra 100 grand a month. It doesn't really matter. The little amount of time with the correct information can mean that the business model is very effective. So these are the most effective ways of being able to use AI imagery and AI videos and AI influencing to be able to make money online. There's obviously a clear winner here that's going to make you the most amount of money, but if that's not something that you wanted to do, obviously you can just continue on with the other ones as well. Just bear in mind it's going to be a lot harder and a lot more competitive, and it's going to have a smaller result. But money's money, and I'm sure having a little bit extra is always going to be great. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, blah, 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 and see you later.